Hello students, in this lecture we're going to talk about a few different types of classifications of neurons. We have what are called multipolar, bipolar, and unipolar neurons. They will have different functions. The multipolar neurons, this tends to be motor neurons, interneurons. Interneurons are neurons within the spinal cord and central nervous system. Bipolar neurons occur like something like retinal neurons are an example of that. And then these unipolar neurons, they're often associated with sensory receptors. If we take a look at them, here's a multipolar neuron. This is the very typical neuron, which you have a cell body. You have the axon and the axon terminals. Here's a bipolar neuron. In this case, the cell body is in the center. And on one end are the dendrites. And on the other side here is the axon and the axonal terminals. And then finally, here's a unipolar neuron, in which the cell body is off to the side of the neuron. And then again, here's the dendrites, the receptive ending, and then you have this long axon. Notice that in this case, with the multipolar neuron, here's the receptive region. Here's where the electrical impulse moves down. And here's the secretory region. In the bipolar neuron, the receptive region, the dendrite area, is all through here. And then the conducting region is on this side with the secretory region here at the end, the axon terminals. And then with the unipolar neuron, here is the conducting region. And then here is the receptive region with the dendrites and the secretory region with the neurotransmitters. If we look at some examples of these, here are some examples of multipolar neurons. Here is a neuron, Purkinje cell. This is a neuron found in the cerebellum. Here's another neuron, a pyramidal cell. This is a cell that's found within the brain in the cerebrum. Here's some bipolar cells. Here's an olfactory cell. This is a neuron that will respond to chemicals. These neurons are found in the nose, in the epithelium of the nose. And here's a retinal cell, and this is found in the eye. And then finally, we have a unipolar cell. This is a ganglion cell. This is a cell that would be found in the spinal cord and the cranial nerves. And so those are different basic structures of various neurons. Thank you.